Mynne sngi kata tarik u Naitung arhajar arpuar ki nonghikai school adhoc ki baha hapoh ka shatri ka Federation of All School Teachers of Meghalaya Fastom ki pynkut no ya ka jingiakhih jong ki pyrshah ka sorkar ka baroh shi katta shym ka kano ka jubab halor ka jingdawa ki nonghikai ka jylla. Laban si pynkynmaw ba ka jingialang jong ka cabinet ka balalong ka tarik u Naitung arhajar arpuar kalarai ba on pynkiew no shen ya ka tulop ki nonghikai adhoc jong ki school shimet sha ka khandai hajar tengka ya kito ki bahikai ha ki higher secondary bat ki nonghikai subject science bat ru nrio hajar tengkai ki nonghikai adhoc ki bahikai ki kerdan upper primary lower primary ya ki nonghikai ya ka subject hindi bat ya ki fourth teacher jong ka SSA. Haba ay jing kren Mynne sngi unong ay ktin ka Fastom usamla Mayborn Lyngdoh ulayat hu ba wat lada ka sorkar shym lala pan penur long purai ki jingdawa ki nonghikai nrei ka seng kala rai ban weng no ashwa ya ka jingiakhih ka jongki nrei ha ka jo kapor kan kan randin ban yai dawa pat ya ka hok jong ki nonghikai ha ka baya day bat ka annual increment ne ka jing pynkiew tulop ka bah ka shisen chisnam pat ru ki wei de ki mat jingdawa ki baya day bat ka bah ka miat ki nonghikai school.
And now it is a very sad state. We as a group, we want to change not just the salary. I know most of you will not be happy with the salary, but we are not just looking for the salary. We are looking for your better future, where you will get all these different amenities from the government, where you will be empowered to be accessible for all these different EPF. What will you do after retirement? What will you do after retirement? We are looking for all of your maternity leave. We are fighting for that as well. We want the teachers of the adhoc to also get maternity leave. It is not there in the memorandum, but we are speaking now because the memorandum as it is, it was not being prepared by me. It was being prepared later on. So we will move forward. So we will move forward. We will make all of these things better. But for that, I need the support of each and every single one of you. I need your support. I need you to also help me, to support me, to change your future and your children's future and your children's children's future. If today, no matter what decision we take today, I do not want you to go home and to only think about the money. Please do not think only about the money. Do not limit your capacity to understand only about money. We are all very unhappy, and the most unhappy one is I and the leaders here. We are very sad. Since yesterday we have had this discussion over and over again. We cannot come to an agreement. What should we do? We know that most of you or some of you might point fingers. Oh, it's because of this, it's because of that. But what I have in mind, the blueprint that I have in mind for your future, once that takes shape, then you will understand. This fight that we won, I will say that we have won a fight. And for that, all of us should applaud each other. Because we have won a fight. It's very rare in Meghalaya that you win a fight. And we have won a fight. Yes, the fight that we won, it's not according to how we planned. But the fight we won, at the end of the day, we won. We won. We can go back home with dignity. We won. We win. We sat here and we won. Do not go back home that we got less salary. Go back home where you are happy that you won. So the decision that we are about to take here today, I know if I ask each and every single one of you, You'll have different opinions. And that can be dangerous for everyone. Some of you will say, let's go home. We have got what we asked for, or else we might lose what we already have. Some of you might say, no, we should still fight. But I will tell you right now, do not be selfish. Be selfless. Think about the others as well. There are so many who have been fighting for the last 3 months. So many are tired. So many have been away from home. So many who have had to face so much of difficulties because of this. See, if we continue, anything can happen. We do not know what, but I'm just saying, anything can happen. Someone might come here. When we were patrolling the other day here, we slept here, we were patrolling, there are people who came here. We can protect you for 1-2 days, we cannot protect you forever. We cannot protect you forever. We do not know what is going to happen. Yesterday you also saw what happened. So it can take another turn. Instead of you going home safe and sound, you might go to the hospital. And you might even lose your job. For how long will we be able to protest like this? We have to return back. We have to also think of the students. So as a teacher, I would like to request my fellow teachers, as it is the decision that is being made by the CEC today, that we will call off this agitation today. But there's one thing. The 5% of enhancement, of increment, that the government says it is yet to take a decision, we are going to have a dialogue with the government. We are having a dialogue with the government. The leaders will stay because today we might have a dialogue with the government. So we will keep on imploring on this 5%. However, I want you to not be sad anymore. Be happy. There is a victory that you have just won. And let us remember one thing. We want so much more than the money. We want the love of the people. We want the love of those people we have never seen before. These strangers who have come to help. We want their love. We want the love of all of these pressure groups who have come forward, give us food, give us the terpals, give us the protection. The pressure groups, I would like to thank all of them. I cannot name them, but I would like to thank all of them. The reason why we can still sleep safe and sound here, it's because they are somewhere watching over us. I would like to really sincerely thank the pressure groups, because when they met me, they said, Mayborn, I know this is your fight. Just know that we are there with you. If you need something, call us. But we will not be with you right now. It's not because they do not care for us, but it is because they care for us too much. That is why they are not here.